What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and if you saw my last video, you know how much I basically enjoy open ear headphones. Not because of the sound quality or that anything about them is particularly revolutionary. It's that they don't hurt your ears after having them in for more than an hour or even half an hour. These are actually really comfortable ways to not only get really good audio, but still be able to hear your surroundings at the same time. That's why I absolutely love open ear headphones, and this is another great example of those. This is the NEOQOQO Q11. Now, the really cool thing about these is you get 6 to 7 hours of playtime, and considering the price of these, it's actually a really good amount of time for the battery on that. They're also pretty light, so let's just see what this says here. Okay, so just adjust to your ear. That makes sense. Let's go ahead and pull this out and see everything in the box first. Nothing too crazy. We've got a USB cable here. Let's open that up. Standard USB A to C cable to charge it. So let's go ahead and set these aside. And let's open up the main event here. Wow, this is a really nice case. It has kind of like a black mica, almost like a car paint on this. It even feels kind of car painty plastic, but car paint. That's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna stop swooning over it and open this up real quick, and you're gonna notice it has a very interesting design. It has a clamshell design, and this part stays down. Why does it do that? Because this is actually going to tell you the battery power, whether it's open or closed. So let me go ahead and take the plastic leads off of this so it can actually charge. And when I close this up, you're gonna see it says 100% battery. So that's very cool to see, and it looks like they are charging, so 100% battery in the case. They are charging the individual ones. And if I open this up, you can see here the lights on the individual headphones also light up to let you know that they're appropriately charged. So, very sleek design. We're gonna go ahead and take these out. I'll go ahead and get some B-roll footage for you guys as well. But all we're gonna basically do is put this clip part right around our ear, and then we're going to aim the speaker into the top of our earlobe here, so into our eardrum. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and just like that, they are on, and these are not going to hurt as much as having something inside or pushing down on your ear itself. These are just going to be kind of hanging out over it, which I absolutely love. Now let's see what they sound like. You'll see it show up as TWS Q11. Oh, that's actually new. It plays kind of like a do-do-do-do-do when it connects. You know, I've heard some interesting Bluetooth connected sounds, but that's a new one for me. Anyway, let's see what the music sounds like. Okay, so quality is good. Bluetooth 5.4, 14.2 millimeter large horn unit. The thing with these ones is it's doing a lot to try and bring back the bass, but it does make the bass sound kind of muted. The sound quality is amazing. It's on par with their other one I just reviewed, and you can check out my video for these as well. I would say that the quality is on par with these, but the bass, I think with this design, it isn't quite as heavy. Now that's to be expected from an open ear design headset. So it's not super shocking that the bass isn't as loud, but I did notice that this other pair of NEOQOQOs was able to handle bass a little bit better in the same song. That being said, they still sound really good. Has awesome noise canceling in calls, things like that. And it lets you, of course, hear your surroundings while you're listening to music, which is a bonus, I think, for everyone. So yeah, absolutely think these are great. I love the design on this case. It is just a standard clamshell case. Some might even say like I've seen this style case before, but just the quality of the paint job alone is kind of crazy. And then having a curved screen is kind of nice too. That's a nice little touch on here. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Peace.